Flooring Outlet and More, the Bay Area's hardwood flooring experts, with more than 20 years of experience serving local communities. We are committed to providing the best selection of premium flooring designs for any room in your home. We have the largest in-stock selection of factory direct products at the absolute lowest prices in the Bay Area. We offer a wide variety of premium hardwood flooring options, including solid hardwood, engineered hardwood, and waterproof flooring. We carry all major brands, from exotic European hardwood, contemporary to traditional styles. You can find flooring that's perfect for your home. Hand-picked, style, high durability, high structural strength. Premium quality, great service, and best prices. Come visit our San Jose showroom. Find your floor at Flooring Outlet and More.